Hi students, previous class we have learned about using 2D shapes, 1/4 turn and half a turn. Today we are going to learn about 1/3 turn and 1/6 turn using equilateral triangle. This is also 2D shape only. Students, here is a project which is given in your textbook. I am not going to give you this project for your homework. Now we will learn about other things, then later on I shall give you a project or homework for you to do it. Now you see here is a equilateral triangle is here, and we are going to learn about 1/3 turn. I have prepared a equilateral triangle. Students, I am going to teach you how to draw equilateral triangle and cut the shape. See, I have placed a scale on a plain paper, and here you see they have given centimeters. So here is the point 0. They have not mentioned here, so we can keep the dot here and write it 0. From 0 to here 1 centimeter we call it. From here 2, 3, 4. So using this scale we draw a line. Now I am going to draw 10 centimeter. See here, sharp it has to come 10 centimeter, and I have kept a dot here. Now I am going to use the compass. Now same scale I am going to take the 10 centimeter measurement. See here, this point I have kept the tip of one side of compass, and another one I have extended and I have got it 10th point. So from here 0 to here I am going to draw a line, slanting line. In maths term we call it arc. Same way from this end to I am going to draw another arc. Now both arcs are cutting each other. That center point, this is center point. I have kept the dot here. Now I am going to use the scale and pencil to join them. This end to center of the arc. Same way this O to center of the arc. This is what we were expected equilateral triangle shape. That means 3 sides are equal. 10 centimeter is here. Same 10 centimeter this side also, here also. That means students, equilateral triangle, just now we have learned how to draw. Now I have cut and removed it. Now you see this end part and this end part, we got to fold it. That means it has to be together, and you got to press it with your finger here. So this is from this end to this end center. Same way you turn the equilateral triangle from this end and this end. Hold it and we have to fold it. See here, this is. So now second also we have drawn. First one we have drawn from this middle part we have found out. Now this one. Now you turn it this one, this side, and you join both the ends. It has to be equal. And you fold it. Nicely you press it here. After folding 3 sides, you can find the line you see. From this end to this end, center line is touching here. Same way from here to here and here to here. You can find the point. All the 3 lines are joining in the center point. Keeping the center point in mind, I have drawn the line from this center point to this end, and from this center point to another end, and from this center point to another end. இப்போ நீங்கள் கன்ஃபியூஸ் ஆகக்கூடாது. ஏன்னா நேற்று சிஸ்டம் வந்து நம்மளுக்கு 4 லைன் போட்டு சொல்லி கொடுத்தாங்க. இன்றைக்கி வந்து 3 லைன் இருக்குது அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு. நேற்று நம்ம பார்த்தது வந்து 1/4 டர்ன் பார்த்தோம். நான் சொன்ன நேற்று பாயிண்டரில் ஒரு புள்ளியில் 360 டிகிரி ஆங்கிள் இருக்குது. அதனால் நம்ம 4ஆக டிவைட் பண்ணியிருக்கிறோம். அப்போ ஒவ்வொரு பார்ட்டும் 90 டிகிரி ஆகிருக்கும் அப்படின்னு எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணியிருந்தேன். இன்றைக்கி வந்து நம்ம 1/3 டர்ன் பார்க்குறதுனால இதே பாயிண்டில் புள்ளியில் 360 டிகிரி தான் இருக்குது, அதில் எந்த மாற்றமும் இல்லை. இந்த சென்டர் பாயிண்ட் வந்து 360 டிகிரி இருக்குது இந்த சென்டர் பாயிண்ட்டை சுற்றி அப்படின்னு நேற்று பார்த்தோம். இப்போவும் நான் திரும்பவும் சொல்லியிருந்தேன். இப்போ நம்ம இன்றைக்கி படிக்க போகிறது வந்து 1/3 டேர்னால் இந்த 360 டிகிரியை நான் 3 பிரிவாக பிரிச்சுருக்கிறேன். அப்போ இங்கேருந்து இங்கே அப்படின்னா 120 டிகிரி, இங்கேருந்து இங்கே 120 டிகிரி, இங்கேருந்து இங்கே 120 டிகிரி, மூணையும் கூட்டினோம்னா 360 டிகிரி கிடைக்கும். நேற்று வந்து 1/4 டேர்ன்னா 4 பார்ட்டாக பிரிச்சுருந்தோம். அதனால் ஒரு சென்டர்லேருந்து இதை ஃபோக்கஸ் பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னா இங்கேருந்து அடுத்த கட்டத்துக்கு வந்தோம் அப்படின்னா அது 1/4 டேர்னாக இருந்துச்சு. இப்போ இன்றைக்கி 1/3 டேர்னால் இப்போ இந்த பார்ட்டை நான் வந்து இங்கேருந்து மாற்றுறேன், ரொட்டேட் பண்ணுறேன். இதைத்தான் நம்ம என்னென்னு சொல்கிறோம் அப்படின்னா 1/3 டேர்ன். இங்கே இப்போ இந்த சென்டரையும் நான் இங்கேருந்து மாற்றுறேன் அப்படின்னா இதையும் 1/3 டேர்ன் தான் சொல்லுவோம். அப்போ இந்த ஷேப்பில் வந்து எந்த மாற்றமுமே இல்லை, அதே போல் தான் நம்மளுக்கு கிடச்சிருக்கு ஈக்குவலேட்டர் ட்ரையாங்கிள். For your practice they have given to find out 1/3 turn and 1/6 of a turn. Now since we have learned about 1/3 turn, look here, the shape is given here equilateral triangle. I also have placed equilateral triangle here. Now this end part I am going to turn into 1/3. See here, this shape and this shape, this is equal, same. So you have to draw like this. Next star. So star we are going to turn and see 1/3 how it is coming. See here, this star I have placed on this circle. This is 2 triangles joined. So 5 corners are there. Now 1/3 turn. Now I have kept here. This is this end. Now I am going to turn this end into this end. That is 1/3. See here, there is a slight changes, not much changes, slight changes. So you have to draw like this. Next you see example, the following picture will look same on 1/3 of a turn. So I have placed here. So we have a 3 smiley face here. 1/3, see here, this face is here, this is here and here. Now I am going to turn this face into 1/3 here. Now you look at the similar. It is more or less same. Nothing is, it is not different. Same as it is. So it is right. Same way, look here. Your practice, same way I have kept here. When we are going to turn 1/3 turn, it is the same. So you have to draw like this. Next example, we are going to learn about the following picture will look same on 1/6 of a turn. See circle here and 6 points are pointed here. Now you see, already I have told you, around this point we have 360 degree. Now I have divided equally. That means from here to here 60 degree. From this point to here, this line 60 degree. From this line to this line 60 degree. And from here to here 60. From here to here 60. That means 6 into 60 degree is 360 degree. Now 1/6 turn. So this point I am changing from rotating from here to here. See, this is the same. No changes. So same way here also. Now you see, we are going to see 1/6 turn using the equilateral triangle. See here, this corner I am going to change into 1/6. So you have the image like this. Slight changes is there, see here. So I have drawn like this. Now using the star we are going to find out 1/6 turn. This end part, this corner I am changing into 1/6 turn. See, there is a slight changes when it comes here. So you have to draw like this. Next you see, using the smiley, we are going to turn 1/6 turn. You might think in your picture there is a small line is there. I have not drawn like this. Already what I have shown you I am using, but you have to draw in your textbook. Now you see this one I am going to turn into 1/6. Only this one. Now your picture will be turned into like this. So you have to draw like this. I am giving you homework. Find the only English alphabets which will not change its shape after 1/4, half, 1/3 and 1/6 a turn rotation. So you will write it here and mention and send to me in WhatsApp. Thank you, students.